What's good, y'all? We back. So I cut it open, and this is the temperature that we're gonna keep. So, for y'all don't know, that's about a medium plus to a medium straight up. Just to show y'all, I like my temperature to be something like that. Like here is perfect. You don't know the bite of this one, Buka? This one is like more medium well right here. Just that part. Let me know how you like it. So y'all, my review is this on Wagyu. I'm being straight up with y'all. I've heard a lot of reviews and people say, when you try this Wagyu, it's 200 and something odd steak, 200 something dollars, okay? And this was 16 ounces. They say you'll never want another steak again. Now, here's the thing. I made this video to show that I cooked it how it's supposed to be cooked. Understand, it's juicy, it's good. This will be approved by anybody that makes steak. Look at that crust. Babe, feel that crust. Crust? That's a crust right there. That's not just skin. Touch it again. That's crust, ain't it? It's hard, right, babe?
Yeah.
This is hard. I made it right, y'all. No shit. So when I say this review, don't jump crazy. Now, it's definitely an experience. However, if you ain't got the coin, save your money. This is a very expensive steak. And I've had better steak experiences. And don't get me wrong, it's really good. It's really, really good. It's just, for that amount of money, it's not like, oh, well, this is just everything. It's definitely good. It's a delicacy for sure. It's really good. It's really juicy, as you can see. Fattening as hell, but okay. That last piece was pretty good. That fat was rendered perfectly. So, I don't know. Okay, I'll say this. This is what I'm gonna say. It's not a waste of money at all. So if you know how you had a piece of steak, right, y'all? And it had that perfect bite because it had the right amount of fat and the right amount of meat and the right amount of juice and the right amount of flavor. That's this. That's Wagyu. That's Wagyu all throughout. But in most people's steak experiences, just like how some people don't like their ribs to fall off the bone, this is one of those things. You don't need that bite. You don't need that succulent, fatty ass bite in every bite. You just want it every now and again. But most of the time, you're just trying to eat the meat. You want the meat. The meatiest part of this is right here. All the rest of this is lined with fat. Look at that. It's beautiful. Beautiful steak. And look at that crust. The crust I did, like, this is probably the best I've ever done a crust, okay? So, be real with y'all. This is probably the best I've ever done a crust.
Yes, to get a kiss.
See? Even my wife agreed. This is the best I've probably ever done a crust. It has the right amount of salt. It wasn't too salty, right, babe?
Right.
So I think if I made any other steak like this with this much care, it would have tasted just as good. Also, there's American Wagyu out there, y'all. Me and wifey had one the other day. I didn't cook it like this, but I cooked it. It was good. We enjoyed it. It was still kind of melting your mouthy, but it was meaty. And that's what the Wagyu is missing on me. It's just the meatiness of it is not all there. But the butteriness, the juiciness, all of that is perfect with this steak. Worth the experience. Do not buy Wagyu if you can't make steak. Like, if you just can't make steak that well, don't waste your money. You have to make this correctly. That's the only way you're going to have the right experience. Even if you don't eat meat like this. You see, even Buka tasted a little piece of it that was, whatever, just for the taste and the experience. But if you ain't trying to do that and you don't know how to cook steak and you don't know how to get no crust like that, this was more of an instructional video on how to cook a steak too, which I should come out with. What do you think? Mm-hmm. So, hope y'all enjoyed this Wagyu unveil. I had a lot of fun. Thank you, Buka, for recording. being an awesome camera woman, and you know, we'll see if we may do this again. But that's your Wagyu, Japanese A5 certified. It's gangsta meat. Peace out.